Hey guys, how are you doing? I'd like to thank you for all your comments and likes on my channel. And I also hope the previous video of must-know phrases for phone calls was helpful for you. As I said in the last video, the confidence to speak on the phone call in English will come naturally when you're better prepared, and the fear of talking on the phone in a second language will disappear when you practice more. So today, I'd like to share with you more useful phrases and sentences you can use when making a phone call. Alright, let's have a look at the second episode of must-know phrases for phone calls. Coco's Language Club. If you are asking for somebody, it is very important to know exactly who you want to talk to. And now I'm going to use Jojo's name as example. First one, may I speak to Jojo, please? Second one, I'd like to talk to Jojo, please. The third one, is Jojo available? If someone calls you and asks for you, for example, may I speak to Coco, please? Then I will say, yes, Coco speaking. And I can also say, yes, this is Coco. Or this is she. Some people might say, yeah, it's me. When you make a phone call and the person you want to talk to is not there or not available, you can leave a message for them. Here's what you could say. First one, can you please take a message? Please tell her or him that, for example, you can say, could you please take a message? Please tell her or him that Coco from Language Club called about the meeting will be postponed. And the second one, you can also say, I'd like to leave a message for him or her. Please let her or him know that. Leaving an answering machine or voicemail message. First one, hey, this is Coco. Call me back, okay? So this way is very informal. Second one, you can say, hello, this is Coco. Could you please return my calls as soon as possible? My number is... Thank you. So you can leave your number here. The third one, hi, this is Coco from Language Club calling. I just wanted to let you know that this meeting will be postponed. And please call me back. Thank you. There are some situations like the signal of the phone doesn't work well and you can't hear them. I'm going to show you the phrases to say the connection is bad, allowing you to converse with English speakers more easily, as well as being able to understand when the phrases are said to you. First one, I'm sorry, you are breaking up. Could you say that one more time, please? Second one, the connection is bad. Can you say that again? The third, sorry, I didn't catch that. You are fading out. The next one, I'm sorry, we have bad connection. I'm unable to hear you clearly. And you can also say, the line is quite bad. Could you please say that again, please? And there's another way to say, sorry, you got cut off there. Or you can also say, I think I just lost you. Could you please repeat that? End of a phone call. First one, thanks for calling. Have a good day. Bye. The second one, well, I guess I'd better get going. Talk to you soon, okay? Or talk to you later, okay? Or talk again soon, okay? Or you can just say, I will talk to you soon again. Bye. One last suggestion I have, if you can get over the embarrassment of hearing the sound of your own voice, it's a great idea to record yourself on a phone call. This way you can self-correct by listening to your mistakes and pronunciations. Good luck. See you next time. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up at any point during this video. And please leave your comments with a hello and tell us where you are watching this video from. I'd love to see how global our community is. See you next time.